unboxing, and let's just get right into it. So here's the package. And look, here's the note, so let's read it.
Hi Julie, thank you so much for ordering my slime. Here's your order. Invoice. Purple glitter putty for $1, crybaby foam for $1, princess and frog foam $1, clear putty $1, toxic pineapple foam $1, Thanksgiving glitter slime $1, turtle $6. Thanks for buying.
Cool. Thank you so much for this cute note. We're going to put that over there so we can start our unboxing. So if you guys didn't know, I broke my leg recently, so I have to be on crutches for like 6 weeks. So yeah. Okay, I finally ripped this box open. Let's get down to the slime. So we'll just put that box down there and let's get down to the first slime. So this one is our Thanksgiving glitter slime. I super love the glitter. It's a little bit sticky, but it's super fun to stretch and I love to play with it. It makes super pretty swirls. But anyway, let's put it back in the container for the next slime. The next slime is a purple glitter putty. So now let's take it out of its container to play with it. This putty is super stretchy and it's pretty good at swirls too. So now we're going to put it back in its container so that we can move on to the next slime. Now it's time to review the third slime. So this is a clear putty. It's super clear. It's super cool. It's very ooey gooey. I love it so much. So it's super duper stretchy and super clear, which is really cool. But I don't want to fog it up too much, so we're going to put it back for the next slime. Time for the fourth slime. So the next slime is my crybaby foam. I think it's a little bit sticky, but it looks really stretchy and glossy. So it's so beautiful. I'm going to put it back in my container so that we can go on to the next slime. So this next slime is the Princess and the Frog Foam, I think? Yeah, it's super glossy, stretchy, and amazing. I love this one so much. It's super clicky, but I think we're going to put it back in the container for the last one. Time for the last slime. This slime is called Toxic Pineapple Foam. It is amazing. It has gold glitter, it has jumbo rainbow foam beads, and it has mini rainbow foam beads. Super stretchy, and I love this one so much, you guys. I love foam beads. Now I'm going to put this slime away. Well, that was the last slime. Thank you guys for watching this video. Here are all the slimes I got. Let's stack them. Oh! Well, anyway, that's the video. Bye-bye.